Hello everyone. So do you know how to work like a pro in NX? And at the same time, you are going to change the views in a single click. So we are going to cover that part in this video. So let's start. So here we have ribbon. First of all, let's go to home and here you have to activate your top border bar. Currently, this is deactivated and I am going to activate it now. So now it is activated. So first of all, we have to just click on view group. This is how you are going to work like a pro. So the view group contains a set of commands which are going to be useful for you. Suppose if I just going to zoom out this. So I do not know where the part is. So here you have the command of zoom F6. So just take this command and just zoom that window on which the part can be visible. So I'm just going to make this visible like this. So this is how you can do this. And second thing is that if I just deactivate this and going to zoom out, and here we have a second command which is said to be as fit. So I'm just going to click on this and the shortcut for this is Control plus F. So just press or just click on this and here we will get the part. So this is how you can work or have the trick regarding these soon. Now let's talk about pan. So pan is this one. So what it means, like pan the views by pressing MB1 and dragging the mouse. This command also be performed directly using MB2 plus MB3 or shift plus MB2. So I'm not going to worry about these commands or I'm not going to use these shortcuts. I'm just going to simply click on this and here the rest will be taken care by the view group. This is how it works. I hope this is going to useful to you as well because this helped me a lot on my journey. Now here we have rotate. So I'm just going to click on this and just do like this. So how I'm performing this? Let me help you in this. I'm pressing and holding the left mouse button. So you have to just take the command and then press and hold the left mouse button. And this is how you can do this. And along with that, do not forget to drag your mouse. I'm at the same time dragging my mouse while holding the left mouse button. So this is how you can work. Next is perspective view. This is the perspective view and I'm going to deactivate this. So now here you can see the faded blue color. So it means this command is active now. So this is perspective. Well, now what is meant by perspective? Perspective gives you an experience that the viewer is actually looking at the model. Now let me intensify this statement. So to intensify this statement, here we have the perspective options, which I have taken from this icon. So here, if I just make the distance as 3 or just reduce the distance like this, so it means it is so close to the target, that means to the eyes. So if I just increase the distance like this, so it is going to be far away from your eyes or from the viewer, so it will be like this. Now if I add some more distance to this, so it is going to be like a normal view. Okay, then this is not going to be the perspective. So this is how perspective works. Then we have fit, we have already talked about this, and this is one of the most important, orient view drop down. So this is what we have talked about, and do continue with this video. At last I'm going to share something about this model. So here we have the orient view drop down. So by having the click on the drop down, you will get the certain view options. So first we have the trimetric. You can press home on the keyboard as well to get trimetric view. So this is trimetric. Then we have the top, so Control Alt T is the short key. Then we have isometric, which is going to come by pressing the End key on the keyboard. Then we have left, front, right. This is bottom, and then we have back. So it all depends on you that what view you want to select from this drop down. So this is how you can utilize the view group options. And then we have rendering style drop down. So here you can choose or pick any rendering style you want to have in the graphic window presentation. Like this is shaded with edges. Now this is going to be shaded only and it is not going to highlight the edges. It is all up to you, like what kind of rendering style you want to use while making the model, while inspecting the assemblies. It is all up to you. I generally use this option, which is the partially shaded, so that I can easily inspect my assembly, that where the machining has been done, where I have given the holes, where there is assembly cut, and how they are going to interact with other parts or other components. So this is one of the most utilized option, and I would recommend you to bring this into your common practice. Then next we have show and hide. So the shortcut for this is Control plus W, which is this option. So on a single click, you can hide all the sketches, all the curves. It's all depends on you. I'm just taking a very simple model here. That's why I'm not going to utilize this option in a very good manner. However, just let me show you how this works. So this is show all, and I'm just going to have the shaded with edges now. So here you can see this is showing all. That means the geometries, the bodies, everything. So I'm just going to hide these sketches only. So this is how I can hide the sketches, then the datums, then the facet bodies, and then the solid bodies. So this is all going to get hide. I'm just going to show now only the solid bodies. So this is how it is going to show you only the solid body. So I'm just going to hide this feature as well. So this is how it is going to work with show hide drop down. Next, we have the immediate hide and hide. You can practice this on your own, and if you have any confusion regarding the view group, you can just let us know in the comment box. Now, this is the reward time, as if you want to make this model as it has, you can just watch my video. I will attach the link so that you can directly jump on that video and you can enjoy how to model this and how to get the configuration I have just shown you through the views. So that is all. And if you believe that you have learned something new from this video, then please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because this is Cat to Live for you.